Ever wanted to turn your shower into a spa experience at home? Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today I'm going to show you how to make these deep breath shower steamers. An easy, all-natural way to make your shower feel like a soothing escape. We are using this DIY Menthol Shower Steamer Kit, which includes menthol crystals. We've also got cedarwood and cardamom essential oils, some cute little labels, our mica powders, our recipe card with step-by-step directions. We've got soap wraps, a 12-cavity mold, some citric acid, and almond oil. And from home, you will need the following: baking soda, cornstarch, water, and a paintbrush. The best part about these steamers is that they are made with all natural ingredients that give you that soothing menthol vapor and calming aromas without the chemicals or high prices. Plus, it's a perfect DIY gift idea for anyone who loves self-care. Here is how I made them. I start by carefully crushing my 1 tablespoon of menthol crystals. You want to keep them in their original packaging, so I like to crush these into very tiny and small pieces. You can use this or a rolling pin or a similar tool. This step ensures the crystals mix evenly into the steamers for that perfect cooling vapor. Next, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients into this large bowl. So I am combining the crushed crystals, 1 1/4 cup of baking soda, and 2/3 cup of cornstarch as well, and a 1/2 cup of citric acid. Now I'm going to stir till it is well combined. Wow, as I'm mixing this, I could really smell those menthol crystals in there, and it's like opening up my sinuses. It's like very invigorating and I love it. So in a separate bowl, we are going to prepare our wet mixture. I am going to add 1/2 teaspoon of water and 20 drops of cedarwood and 10 drops of cardamom. Here I have 1 tablespoon plus 1/2 teaspoon of almond oil that I'm going to add into my wet ingredients. Then I'm going to give that a good mix. Now I'm stirring my wet ingredients together. You want to pour in your wet ingredients very slowly, but if it fizzes, it is okay. The almond oil helps it from not fizzing too much. Once combined, you want to use your hands to give this a good mix. So you want to grab a handful and squeeze it, and you want it to feel like damp sand. Once it holds its shape like a snowball, then it's ready. This is not ready yet, so I am going to add a little bit more water. Here is a tip. If this is your first time making shower steamers, it can be a little tricky, but they are so worth it. To check if your mixture is ready, squeeze a handful firmly in one direction, then shift your hand and squeeze it again from another angle. If it holds together both times without crumbling, you're good to go. So now you want to press the mixture firmly into the silicone molds. If you want them to have an even edge, you can use whatever you have at home. I am using a spatula. This also helps to spread the mixture around to any places where it's needed. After 24 hours, they are ready to unmold. Look at that. It looks so perfect. I could definitely smell the menthol in here, and it's opening up my sinuses, and I love it. Oh, that looks good. In these bowls, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of mica powder in each. I am adding 1/2 teaspoon of almond oil to each. Give that a good mix. Using a clean paintbrush, you just want to splatter, swirl, or lightly paint the tops of your steamers to create a cheerful, colorful design. I'm going to add a little bit more almond oil to my red mixture, just to make it a bit more runny. Once your mica paint dries up, you want to start wrapping them up. We are taking our soap mold. You're going to place it face down and wrap the soap mold over the edges. And then you want to tape it with some sort of tape. You could also use washi tape. And this is what it'll look like. Now it's time to label. You are going to place your label where you put the tape, right in the center. And here is your finished product. These are perfect for gifting, or you can keep them for yourself. To use these at home, you want to place the shower steamer on the floor of your shower, just outside the main stream of water. As it fizzes, it will release a soothing aromatic vapor to support easy breathing and make your shower feel like a spa. And one last thing to note is, if your shower steamers crack or crumble, don't worry, they're still just as effective. You can sprinkle the powder on the floor and enjoy the same wonderful fizzing experience. And now for the exciting part. Let's test these out. Wow, these smell incredible. The menthol is so refreshing. The cedarwood and cardamom make it feel super calming. It's like having a spa in my shower, and I love that I made these myself. Now it's your turn. Try out these deep breath shower steamers and share your creations with us using the hashtag #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to be featured and win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. Get your DIY menthol shower steamer kit today at simplyearth.com. Thanks for crafting with me, and I'll see you in the next video.